Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The two main operating system options available for testing on mobile devices are Android and iOS. Both application platforms differ significantly from one another and require a unique approach when it comes to testing. 1. What are the particularities of testing iOS apps? One of the main peculiarities of iOS app testing is that the platform is closed source. 2. What are the particularities of testing Android apps? There are a few particularities of working with Android mobile applications that testers must deal with, the first of which is that Android has lots of different versions. 3. What are the differences between Android testing versus iOS apps testing? The main difference between Android and iOS testing is accessibility. iOS mobile applications are far harder to test thanks to the closed-off kernel, but this comes with the benefit of compatibility being simple. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.